guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically play games with your online friends on Discord without you having to download anything really. So go to a voice channel or in a call anywhere, but you have to be in a call. I'm just going to go to this general voice channel. Then you're going to select this rocket that says start an activity, and here are the games you can play. I like to play Gartic and the cooking game, which is the Chef Showdown one. I don't really have friends to play with right now, so I'm just going to select Color Together because you can play this by yourself. I'm just going to select it, and it's going to open the game, and you're just going to start coloring. That's it for this one. They have a lot of options that you can choose from, so make sure to click those. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!